Welcome to Living Waters Landscaping. Our project this week is a large pondless waterfall that we built in Asheville, North Carolina. This feature was approximately 250 feet long with 80 feet of drop. We began by excavating the project area by hand. The site access did not allow us to have a machine for most of the project. The project area was a steep system of switchback trails, which meant we had to import all of our materials by hand. We built ramps, bridges, and skid boards to move boulders and materials into the project area. Due to the frequent visitation of bears in the area, we decided to pour concrete over our waterproof membrane and mortar all of our rockwork in. Every rock was hand-selected and placed in this feature to create a naturalistic waterfall. We were able to use a small excavator for a short section of the waterfall, which allowed us to set some bigger boulders. We installed a 10 horsepower external pump to recirculate the water out of a 5,000 gallon pondless basin. The finished product exceeded our expectations and will be a standard for future waterfall construction. Visit us at livingwaterslandscaping.com for more info.